Hello my dear students, today we will continue chapter number 3, Force. Effects of force on mass, on speed, on direction and on shape. Effect of force on mass of a body. Mass is a physical property of matter that depends on size and shape of matter. Mass is an inherent property of an object and is independent of the object's surroundings. And mass is a scalar quantity. The mass of an object is the same everywhere. Hence, mass is an inherent property that never changes. That is, force does not have an effect on the mass of body. On speed, look at the first picture. Take a ball and place it on a table. Push the ball gently so that it starts moving. Thus, a ball at rest begins to move when a force is applied to it. Now push the moving ball again. It begins to move faster than before. Now look at the second picture. Place your palm in its path. Allow the ball to touch your palm gently. Remove your palm as soon as the ball touches it. We observe that the motion of the ball is slowed down. From these examples, we can say that when a force is applied to a body in the same direction, its speed increases, and when it is applied in the opposite direction, its speed decreases. That is, a force can increase or decrease the speed of a body. On direction, look at the first picture. Place a ruler in the path of the moving ball. Make sure it is placed at an angle with moving ball. What do you find when the ball hits the ruler? Repeat this activity by placing a ruler at different angles to the path of the moving ball. We observe it will change its direction on hitting the ruler. This is because the ruler applies a force on it to change its direction. Now look at the second picture. What happens to the direction of the motion of a ball when the batsman hits it with his bat? When the batsman hits it with the bat, the ball changes its direction of motion due to impact of force. In these cases, we observe a force is applied to change the direction of motion of a body. The state of motion of a body is described by its speed and its direction of motion. Either a body is at rest or moving. Effect of force on shape of a body. What happens to a ball when it is squeezed? Squeeze the ball with fingers. We observe shape of the ball changes. Therefore, a force can deform objects. Now look at the second picture. When the rugby ball is kicked, it gets depressed at the point of application of force. That is, the deformation caused in the rugby ball when it is kicked. From these cases, we can say that a force not only can change the state of motion of an object but also can change its shape. From these examples, we observe the various effects that produced by force are: the first point is, it can produce motion in a stationary object. Second, it can stop a moving object. Third, it can change the speed of a moving object. Fourth, it can change the direction of moving object. Fifth, it can change the shape of an object. Now, friction. Friction and opposing force. The opposing force that causes due to relative motion between two surfaces in contact is called friction. In other words, friction is a force that opposes the motion. Friction always acts in a direction opposite to the direction of motion. Look at the picture. A book is placed on the desk and a force is exerted on the book toward the right. There is force of friction acting on the book toward the left opposing the applied force. Friction between a pair of surfaces depends upon their nature and smoothness. Types of friction. Friction is of two types. First, dry or external or contact friction. Second, internal friction. I will explain in next video class. Thank you.